Now we need to start creating sections, details, and the rest of what we need to do. First of all, I need to change the writing here. This is wrong, so I'll just make that change. Awesome, that's it. Okay, so let's start with section. We need to call a section through the house. To do that, to activate the section tool, section tool is under documents in your toolbox. Click on it to activate it, and then we want to draw a section that would cut through the bathroom and the window and looking at the left hand side. So place a starts from somewhere up here and just draw a line there, give it enough space. We might have to go a little bit further because I like it to cut across the entire drawing. Okay, so place the eye cursor towards the right because I want it looking that way. So what I want you to do is select the section you've drawn and then double click on the settings for us to change the settings. The preference ID will be A. We just wanting A is the first section we're drawing and section A. Leave every other thing as it is and let's get down to the marker test style, this one. Okay, so we want the test to be 500, to be 5 meters. We want the height of the test to be 5 meters, so that to be 5 millimeters, so it can be a bit bigger. This doesn't really look nice, so we're going to change the symbol. So go down to marker symbol and style, change the marker style to triangle 2 because it looks better, and we want it to always be horizontal. So in the marker test rotation, choose always horizontal. We don't want it changing any way that it will, and then just click OK. So you can see our marker has changed to reflect what we just asked it to do. Done. Okay, so we would like to have the same thing happening on the other side um, of drawing. We want to cut another section. This time it will be horizontal. So we'll cut the section this way. But first of all, let's see the section that we have created. Now we've created a section A, so let's have a look at it. To view the section, go to the navigator map, which is here. And under sections here, click on this arrow and you see A, section A. Double click on it and it opens up to show us the section we just cut. We cut through the house room, if you can recall, and this is the bathroom where we cut, and the living area, this is the bed, the seats, the decks, and the window that we cut. Now that's how to do a section. Let's cut another section, this time horizontally, this way, and let's use another marker. So in order for us not to keep changing the parameters, we just pick out the parameters of the first section, and then we'll want it to cut across the window here and looking up this way. So click this way and then that way, and then click up to place the section. So we will need to change the identity of this section because we can have two sections AA. So click on this section and then we'll change the ID to be up here and then the name to be section B. And that's it. So let's view this section too by going to the navigator and double clicking on B, section B. And this is how it looks. So we've cut through the living area and the bedroom too, looking at what we have horizontally. Awesome. So that's how you cut a section. Hold on.